Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is all about mastering camera techniques. Today, we're diving deep into the world of camera techniques. Whether you're a seasoned videographer or just starting with your phone camera, understanding these techniques will take your videos to the next level. Part 1. Camera angles. Let's begin with camera angles. These refer to the position of the camera in relation to the subject. Each angle creates a different feeling and can tell a unique story within your shot. Eye level. This is the most natural angle, placing the camera at eye level with the subject. It creates a sense of neutrality and conversation. Low angle. Tilting the camera down creates a powerful perspective. It can make your subject look dominant, authoritative, or even vulnerable. High angle. Tilting the camera upwards makes your subject appear smaller or less powerful. It can also be used to show a crowded environment or establish a setting. Hip knee ground level. Getting down low creates a child's perspective or an intimate, immersive view. Dutch angle. Tilting the camera sideways creates a sense of unease, instability, or tension. Overhead. Shooting directly down on the subject creates a graphic and disorienting view. Aerial. Using drones or other elevated platforms allows you to capture vast landscapes or sweeping action. Part 2. Camera shots. Now, let's explore camera shots, which define how much of the subject and surrounding area is included in the frame. Extreme close-up. This focuses on a tiny detail, like an eye or a piece of jewelry, creating intense focus and emotion. Close-up. This frames the subject's face or a specific object for a more personal and detailed view. Medium shot. This shows the subject from the waist up or down, providing context about their body language and environment. Full shot. This shows the entire subject from head to toe, placing them within their surroundings. Wide shot. This captures the subject and their entire environment, giving a sense of place. Extreme wide shot. This shows a vast landscape or cityscape, emphasizing the scale and scope of the scene. Cowboy shot. A full shot with the subject centered in the frame, often used in westerns. Establishing shot. This sets the scene and introduces the location or environment. Over the shoulder. This shows the scene over a character's shoulder, placing the viewer in their perspective. Cutaway shot. These terms are used during editing to refer to the position of a shot within a sequence. Point of view. This shot places the viewer directly in the eyes of the subject, creating a first-person experience. These are just some of the basic camera techniques. Experiment with different angles and shots to see how they affect the mood and message of your videos. Don't be afraid to break the rules and find your own creative style. Remember to leave a comment below with what camera techniques you're most excited to try. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative content tips.